So you're probably aware that most websites nowadays use the WordPress platform to run and maintain their websites. Most likely you're using it now. Recently, WordPress made a major overhaul of their editor. It went from the classic editor to what they have coined as the Gutenberg editor. But here's the problem. If you do a quick search on the Gutenberg editor plugin, you'll actually see a lot of negative reviews. And this is because even though it's listed as a newbie-friendly editor, there's a bit of a learning curve that you have to get over to understand it all. But now it's not just a plugin, it's built in by default into the WordPress admin dashboard. So that means when you update your WordPress site, you're going to see the Gutenberg editor. And most likely you jumped in and thought, this looks more complex. I want the old classic editor back. Now, while we'll show you how to get the old classic editor back, the purpose of this course is to walk you step by step, click by click, and by the hand. Now, if you can watch and follow the mouse, you will be a pro by the end of this course. And you'll find the editing experience to be much more enjoyable and productive. In fact, Gutenberg is not hard at all. There's a little learning curve, but at the end of the day, you'll find that it's actually more dynamic. This is a 9-part step-by-step video course. You're going to learn how to use WordPress Gutenberg editor today. And this training course was designed to help you understand how to use the Gutenberg editor in depth, even if you're a newbie. So here's a quick overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 is a quick overview of the user interface. Video number 3 is understanding the types of blocks. Video number 4 is using the sidebar. Video number 5 is common blocks. Video number 6 is formatting blocks. Video number 7 is layout elements. Video number 8 is, if you're not ready for Gutenberg, how do you revert back to the classic editor? And of course, video number 9, we'll talk about more editor options in terms of editors that you can pay for, but they're a lot more extensive. They can do a lot more than Gutenberg, so that you can see the differences between the Gutenberg, the classic editor, and all the other editor options. All right. So go ahead and grab this course and learn how to use Gutenberg editor to the fullest.